wrap text around an image in Canva. There is a simple way and there is a more complicated way, more manual way. We will dig into it in this video. Hi everyone, my name is Poulomi and I help you create brand strategies and design that drive your business growth. Let's look at what are the different ways to wrap text around an image in Canva. The first one is if your image is within a circular sort of form, like a rounded form, like a circle or an oval or an ellipse, then you can wrap text around the image quite easily with a click of a button. Well, a few clicks. But if your text is not in that kind of a form, if it's in any other shape, or if it's in a square or a rectangular, or if it's even in a cutout sort of format and you want to wrap text around the cutout shape, then you have to do it manually. Let's dig into that and see how to do each step. So let's look at the 3 ways to wrap text around an image in Canva. Now, the first one, as I said, if this is a circular shape or any kind of circle, oval, elliptical shape, then you can easily wrap your text around it in one click. So all you do is select your text, click on Effects, then click on Curve, and then suit and adjust your curvature to meet your text wrapping, your image wrapping. So it can be, your text can be curved like that or a little bit more, and then you can also rotate it around your shape like that. So let's see if I just increase it a little bit more. And that's the easiest way to wrap text around an image. However, if your image is not in a circular mask, if it's more rectangular square, then it is not so easy to do that with one click. You will actually have to do it manually, as we talked about earlier. So you do that, maybe put a space here. You have to adjust your text with breaks and spaces to get the exact wrapping you want. So that's how you can wrap the text. And thirdly, if you want to wrap text around a cutout object, so for example, if you just take this image and you want to wrap text all around the man's hand over here, you also have to do that manually by adding spaces and breaks as you want to get the text wrapping just the way you want it. There is no one-click button that you can use to wrap the text. It's not like Illustrator, which you can do it with one click. In Canva, these are the only 3 ways you can wrap text around an image.